What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com with Knox. You better stop barking. You got a 2017 Ducati Scrambler. Guys, this bike is awesome. It's got like no miles on it. It's white. It's got this amazing looking brown crisscrossed seat. Check out. It's a great shape. It's got like 1,000 some miles on it. 2017. Guy never rode it. It's basically all stock. I mean, there's not a lot to go wrong in 1,000 miles on a 2017. Does have these bar end mirrors, as you can see. Bar end mirrors. It's got amazing tread, obviously. Front fender's in great shape. I think this needs to be buffed out a little bit. It's got like a tiny little like stain right down the white. So it just gets buffed out, not a big deal. This is all in really good shape. It's a little dirty. It looks like he rode it in the rain. It does not have like a skid plate or anything I'm not seeing. What do you think, Knox? Like the bike? It's a great looking bike, guys. I love this seat with this like textured pattern. Top of the tank is in great shape. This bike is extremely good shape. There's a little bit of chipping, as you can see at the top of the gas tank right there. Not a big deal. I really want to find some glaring flaw with this bike, but it's in really good shape. It does have a battery tender. It only has, that's still service, 6,000 miles to service, 1,323 miles on it. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. It's not going to last long. It's a Ducati Scrambler. These bikes are awesome. 800 cc's, guys. Huge fan of this bike. Great bike for around town to whip around. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. And, yeah, let me know if somebody's interested in it.